UAVs, UGVs, and other high-volume applications that have tight size, weight, power, and cost requirements need durable, compact interconnects that mate easily and work reliably in harsh environments. Amphenol LTD WaSP Microminiature circular connectors, available from Mouser Electronics, use a low-profile aluminum shell with a quarter-turn polymer locking ring for a lightweight, fast mating solution that minimizes space. The connectors have 3 keying options and have 7 positions with 23 AWG contacts that support a working voltage up to 400 volts and current up to 5 amps. For harsh environments, WaSP connectors provide IP67 sealing and operate from -55 to +85 degrees Celsius. A passivation anti-corrosion layer supports durability with 96-hour salt spray resistance. The connectors are non-magnetic and RoHS compliant and have a minimum durability of 50 mating cycles for repeated service in high-volume SWaP-C applications.